Hello, Tashidele, Namaste to all. Today we are going to learn very useful words in sentences. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and likes. Now I am going to begin daily useful vocabulary. Boyik Tibetan letter. Inyik English letter. Yig mean is yege. Okay. Tashi deleg. Tashi deleg. Hi, hello, hey. Hi, hello, hey. Kerang debo imbe. How are you? Kerang debo imbe. How are you? Nga debo yin. I am fine. Nga debo yin. I am fine. Ked lokatsere, how old are you? Ked lokatsere, how old are you? Nga lo nishure, I am 20 years old. Nga lo nishure, I am 20 years old. Re mare, yes, no. Re mare, yes, no. Nga nyamdu sho, come with me. Nga nyamdu sho, come with me. Kong nyamdu doshok, go with him. Kong nyamdu doshok, go with him. Nyamdu mejindu with without. Nyamdu mejindu with without. Ket gawanire, where are you from? Ket gawanire, where are you from? Nga Vietnam nire, I am from Vietnam. Nga Vietnam nire, I am from Vietnam. Chigyal, foreign. Chigyal ba, foreigner. Chigyal, foreign. Chigyal ba, foreigner. Dada ket gabar you, where are you now? Dada ket gabar you, where are you now? Nga lobdala you, I'm at school. Nga lobdala you, I'm at school. Dug midug, have haven't. Dug midug, have haven't. Thank you everyone. Really useful vocabulary and next video coming soon. Goodbye.